Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, October 14th. We saw a low this morning of around 50 degrees here at Wallops, also seeing perfectly clear skies out there this morning. We do anticipate clear skies to continue as we go throughout the day today and into tonight. Still seeing mostly sunny skies for tomorrow morning before we start to see clouds increase in advance of our next cold front that's going to be moving across the area on Friday. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have high pressure and control across the eastern third of the United States. That's helping to usher in some cooler and drier air across the region today, also helping to suppress any cloud formations. We should be continuing to see those clear skies as we go throughout the next 24 hours or so. Maybe see a little bit of serious cloudiness this afternoon, but still going to be mostly clear as we go throughout today and into tonight. Take a quick look at our satellite across the region. We're seeing mostly clear skies across much of the mid-Atlantic region this morning. We do have a little bit of cirrus starting to move in from the east. It is kind of falling apart as it approaches the mid-Atlantic coast here, but could see a little bit of cirrus as we go into the afternoon and into tonight sporadically, and then seeing clouds increase once we get into midday tomorrow. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds at the surface, fairly light, around 5 to 10 knots. Just above the surface, they are increased to around 20 to 25 knots through 9,000 feet, then shifting more westerly at the 12,000 foot level, increasing from 30 knots steadily up to around 55 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just above 13,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 72 degrees, so a very seasonable day today in the forecasts. We'll see those northwesterly winds increase just a little bit late this morning, around 5 to 10 knots, and then shifting westerly in the mid-afternoon hours around 3 to 7 knots before becoming southwesterly towards the late afternoon at 3 to 8 knots. Southwesterly winds will continue overnight around 5 to 10 knots, becoming more south-southwesterly after midnight tonight, and we are expecting a low around 54 degrees tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, not really much to talk about, just seeing those clear skies throughout the next 24 hours with some a few clouds near 30,000 feet possible at times. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a quick look at our long-range forecast here. We are starting this afternoon, seeing that high pressure centered over the mid-Atlantic once we get towards the afternoon hours today. It will continue to slowly move eastward, but still keeping things mostly clear for tonight. But that high pressure moving east of the region will help to promote that southerly flow returning for tomorrow, which will help to bump up temperatures a bit. Also is going to increase moisture once again, so we'll see those clouds increase once we get towards the midday hours tomorrow and into the afternoon, with clouds continuing to increase as we go into tomorrow night. As we go into tomorrow night, we're going to see this front start to approach the area. That'll keep those south to southerly winds across the region, helping to usher in more moisture. And then as we get into Friday, those look like we're going to see our high temperature early in the day, getting into the low 70s, and then that cold front is going to start impacting the area once we get into Friday. Expecting scattered shower chances mainly in the afternoon, still seeing chances in the morning though, but the rain's really going to start to pick up once we get into the afternoon hours, and especially into Friday night as we get some more moisture pooling ahead of this front. Also can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm late in the day, Friday or perhaps Friday night with this frontal passage. So expecting the heaviest rain for Friday night. Rain is likely, especially during those Friday night time frame. And it does look like the rain's going to be out of here by about between 8 and 10 a.m. Saturday morning. And we'll see another large area of high pressure move in behind this front, ushering in a drier, cooler air mass once again for the weekend. So it's going to be chilly this weekend. Temperatures in the 60s. And then we'll see those low temperatures get down into the mid 40s as well as we go into both Saturday and Sunday. And then as we start next week, we're going to continue to see high pressure and control across much of the eastern third of the nation once again, helping to keep things dry and fairly seasonable as we go into early next week, and then not really seeing any chances for precipitation until maybe the middle of next week at the very earliest, but models are diverging at that point, so we will have low confidence in the forecast after Tuesday next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, looking for a high of 72 today under sunny skies, low of 54 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow a little bit more milder with a high of 75 under partly cloudy skies. And then seeing a mild low Friday morning as we see those southerly winds ramp up ahead of that approaching cold front. We're going to see an early high Friday of 72 with scattered showers throughout the day, especially in the afternoon, evening, and overnight hours of Friday night. Could also see a very slight chance of a thunderstorm, especially Friday night across the region. As we go on to Saturday, we'll see that cold and drier air move in behind that front. That'll help to drop the low into the upper 40s for Saturday morning. High only getting up to around 62 degrees for Saturday afternoon under partly cloudy skies. Sunday is going to be partly cloudy. Also seeing those temperatures in the 60s, just a little bit warmer, around 68 degrees with that chilly low Sunday morning all the way down into the mid 40s. And then Monday we'll start to see things become more seasonable for this time of year. Temperatures in the low 70s for Monday and Tuesday with low in the mid 50s to near 60 for both Monday morning and Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday, seeing the models diverge a bit, the GFS model wants to give us another reinforcing shot of colder air, while the European model, which we just showed, wants to help keep things a little bit more mild and seasonable. So going with a high of 72 for Tuesday based on that model. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.